Hi guys, this is Mia from Mimo Design Laser Files, and today I'll show you how to assemble this floral motivational sign that I actually made for myself. I already painted my flowers with a watercolor, and I have a tutorial on how I did that. You can find it on my YouTube channel or in my helping group, Laser Up with Mimo Design. The backer is poplar plywood. Everything is poplar plywood, 4mm. You can use any thickness and any type of material. I gave this oil for cutting boards. I have this red oil that I found in Sicily. The frame I spray painted with gold, so I had the edges painted as well. On the frame you have these small screw holes, board screw holes, and I want them to be a little different in color. So I'll use some metallic markers and just see if I can paint them like this. And that makes that little detail pop up. So I'll do it on all four corners. And assembling of this one is really easy. I already nested most of the flowers inside this frame. You also have a unnested version if you want to arrange it from scraps or something else. But I cut the nested version, which contains everything besides this flower. You want to cut that separate. But besides that, I also scored some indications for assembling, like this one to show you where the frame goes, and also around the flowers. You want to paint these parts that are sticking out because that will be the part of the frame that will be visible. Also, you have a A for the A flower and a B for the B flower. So assembling is really easy. And the flowers, there's one big and one small. And they'll fit perfectly on top of it. So I also want to paint a round screw. So I'll just do that. And my frame is done. So to assemble, I'll remove my flowers and I'll take my frame and add glue. I'm using wood glue from Vinaville. It's an Italian brand. It's actually universal glue that kids use in daycare and such as well. So you can use any. And I'll just add a thin stripe on the frame here. Make a little swirly pattern. And to make it dry a little faster, I'm also using some super glue. This is Gorilla super glue. And I'll just add, oh, it might be empty, no. Add a few drops. Just so it will dry fast. If you use 3M tape, it's way easier, but I don't. I always use glue. So you align this one to the scored outline. And mine is a little bended because my material was warped. So I'll be using clamps to hold them. And all of my clamps are from my local hardware shop in Sicily. I have the smaller ones, and I know you can get them from Amazon. I actually think you can get these too on Amazon. So that's it. If you have any excess glue, you can wipe it off. So I'll just remove the frame to let it dry just a second. And I can assemble my flowers. And I'll just use my wood glue for these, because this material wasn't warped and the area is not big enough for lifts. So on these you also have scored indications, and you can align it by following the two edges on the bee flower anyway. For the one, and the same for the A. And this one aligns up here as well. If you hear someone snore in the back, it's only my dog. So that's the second. So let's grab the frame and see if the super glue already did its work. I could just move some of the clamps to the frame pad. Like that. Like this. So let's see. I have the B flower that goes down here. The A flower that goes up here. And a big leaf that will go there. And the smaller leaf that will go there. So it's just a matter of gluing now. We have electrical outlets today, so if you heard some noise in the back, it's just our alarm that is going on and off. So the flowers you want to align to the edge on the frame. Like that. So these files also contains a hanger that you could make and place on the back, or you can use a pre-made hanger. I use these sawtooth thingies. I don't have one right now, so I can't show you. Or you could staple on a piece of rope or something. Also, I sometimes just hang it by using a nanotape or a double-sided tape from Gorilla or something like that. And the reason that I like to use my wood glue is because I can still have a little movement and move everything around if I didn't align it perfect the first time. And for the last leaf. And that's it. Happy crafting, everyone. And again, if you wanted to see how I painted my flowers, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.